Okay, so I checked the meters, they're fine. They have the old style bulb in there, so I'm sure it's from the heat. So I'll seal it up. It's just a hairline crack. I'll put the LEDs in. There's no point in doing work that doesn't need to be done. So they're good. So I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Move the coil, the shaft between the band switch, the input rotary switch, front panels now loose. Loosen the shaft for the plate tune side. Have the new capacitor, and when you get back to work, see you guys soon. Back with the completed Ameritron Al811. Just verify the customer wanted the, okay, 40 meters. Okay, so look at the plate voltage meter. It's right before the red. We're going to talk about that after. Okay, so got the radio on, 40 meters. Audio, hello. Roughly 50 watts. 1 kW slug. Bird 43 PEP kit is on. It's going into a 50 ohm bird attenuator load. Audio, hello, 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 hello. 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Works as it should. Okay, so I'm going to continue testing the other bands, and then I will pop the cover and show you the inside. Of course, after it's been shut off, tubes cooled off, and unplugged, and high voltage bled down. Okay, so see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Cover's off. Let's go over everything. This had a lot of different stuff wrong with it. So, at the end of the day here, I'm tired. Like I always say, I get up at 4:15. Started on this at like 5 something in the morning. So brand new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Awesome people over there. Cleaned the input rotary switch with deoxit gold, output rotary switch with deoxit gold. Changed the air variable capacitor on the load side. The other one was damaged. Had 7 turns for the parasitic board. Now it has 5. You can get away with 6, but 7 was too many. So replaced the straps. Put a longer screw in the plate choke. Tighten up on hardware, fix solder joints. So I did have to change the meters. They were like damaged. So when I got the amp, the fan wasn't spinning at all. So the grill thing here, the protector grill, was pushed in, stopping it from spinning. So I don't know if that happened from shipping. I'm assuming it happened when it was at his house, because the inside of the cover was all discolored, like it hadn't been getting proper cooling inside. So very distorted. So I thought maybe the meter lamp did it, but they looked like the stock ones. So I replaced both meters. I couldn't leave it like that. So brand new meters. Because it has the higher voltage, due to whatever's going on with the, they changed transformer manufacturers over the years, and yes, it is tapped properly in the back, so it just has a little bit more voltage. So my way around that was I put in 500 volt capacitor, so now he has the same headroom now versus when he had the slightly less voltage with the 450s. So one of the resistors opened and cap failed. So it's 10 years like that. Can't believe it. But so also did the bias modification, and that's about it. So I have these in stock. I also have I was going to use the 450 version. I'm saving the 500s for. I also have higher capacitance ones. I bought a lot of capacitors, so I was saving the 500s for like AL1500s, AL82s, AL1200s, because they have they ride them really close to the edge in those amps. So, but yeah, no need to really change that board. I've said it before. The only time I ever see these fail is if a resistor opens up, and that's what happened. Usually the black ones don't open. It's usually the pink ones. So very seldom do I ever see a black one open. But if the fan wasn't operating and these were really, really hot to begin with, and if the fan wasn't operating and it just got crazy hot because there was no air whatsoever in here getting in here, then that would make sense as to why it opened up. So, but that's about it. So thanks for watching. Websites are amprepairguy.com, also harbachellectronics.com. Also, please don't forget about the Facebook group I started. It's called Harbach Electronics and Homebrew HF Amplifiers. I encourage people to post homebrew amps on there, and also Harbach kits and their installations, any amp related stuff. I just love amps. Just go ahead and post away. So everybody's welcome. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great weekend. It's finally Friday. It's finally the weekend. So also got a brand new set of Pentalab tubes. Just to give people a heads up, the factory changed over to black base. So these are all new, but one's are brown, the other ones are black, but they're all Pentalab tubes. So if I can get to the other one. There we go. See? Yellow. But okay, that's about it. 73. See you guys Monday.